Look no further. Today we compare two of the most popular action cameras, that is the Insta360 and the GoPro. Let's look at the durability and the build quality of both the GoPro and the Insta360. Both of these are built to withstand the toughest challenge. Whether you're skiing down the mountain or exploring the ocean's depth, these are up for the challenge. GoPro has a rugged design and has its reputation for toughness. It's been the go-to choice for sports for many years. Both these cameras shoot a stunning 4K footage, but Insta360 takes it a step further with its impressive 360-degree capabilities. With the Insta360 stabilization, you can capture everything around you and it ensures a buttery smooth footage with even the most challenging environment. Don't count out the GoPro just yet. With its legendary stabilization, image quality and wide range of shooting mode, it makes it favorite among filmmakers and content creators. Both the Insta360 and the GoPro comes with a plethora of accessories and mounts for any adventure, with GoPro having a wider range of accessories to go with. Whether you go with the GoPro or the Insta360, make sure to capture every moment by renting with SharePal.